Hey guys, welcome back. So today we got a GV80 2021 2.5 liter turbo. Customer complaint, check engine light. I just finished our full system scan. Now we got a code here, engine side P21D000. In cylinder 2, injector B, circuit open. I don't know which one is GDI and the MPI. I don't know if it's B for the MPI and A for the GDI. I'm not sure. I have to double check that. And this cluster secure boot fail. So I don't know what's that. I will be focusing on my diagnosis on this check engine light with this cylinder injector B. So let's just go to DTC here on our scan tool, and then let's locate this P21D. Which injector is he talking about? Okay, so I'm just gonna click DTC guide, and by this with the OEM software, once I press that, it's just gonna go straight to my service information. So okay, okay, so says here that it's an MPI injector. So B is the injector MPI, and the A is the GDI because this is dual injector. So it's just saying resistance check B plus. We're gonna do that. Oh no, we're not gonna do that. And here's a oscilloscope capture for it. As you can see, this is a voltage waveform for the injector. Holds down, and then it releases that ground signal. And this hump here, that's when it closes, right? So by this, if it closes, it means it opens. But we can verify that and see on our scope. I'm gonna hook up a scope on this one, and let's see what's going on the MPI. And also, sometimes when you do the testing on that one, I think on the first startup, it will run with the GDI and then it shuts off and then it will run to the MPI. So we'll wait for that when it runs with the MPI. So we're gonna be checking first. Let's verify that first and see if it's really happening right now. Because I think I made a video of a MPI injector on a, I don't know if it was a GV80 or GV70, but it was the MPI injector. It was not opening at all, I think. And then during that testing, if I correctly remember the video, was that we're hooking up the fuel pressure, activating each injector, and looking for the fuel pressure drop. And on that video, we didn't see any drop at all on that suspected fuel injector. That's why we call the injector. So um, let's go injection time. I don't know if this is the GDI, but let's check this. 234. That's ignition. Let's see our fuel adaptation and correction, lambda correction, and a misfire counter. I don't know if there's a data here for the MPA or if there's a specification. Okay, so individual injection, first pulse, second pulse, third pulse. So I don't know which one is which is this. So I'm just gonna click this. So we're thinking about cylinder number 2, right? So I'm gonna click number 1 and 2 just to compare. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Let's graph these guys here and let's start the vehicle. Okay. Okay, now I can feel a misfire right now. So let's wait here. Which one is registering misfire right now? I can feel a misfire, but why I have only one counter here on cylinder number 1? Oh, you know what? Let's stop this first. Let's go back to text. I'm going back to our another misfire counter for a, what was that? Here. Let's say this catalyst damaging misfire counter. Graph. Oops. Okay. So let's see if it's really number 2 that's misfiring. I'm just gonna start again. So the car runs smooth right now, but it's a little bit rough right now. Injection time are all the same, 1 to 4. There, misfire, I can feel it. And this one is reporting cylinder 1 misfire. Got shows there 18, right? Number 4, 18. Why is it misfiring number 18? 1 and 4. I'm gonna rev the engine, but this when you rev the engine, that's the GDI that's kicking on. I'll release that. Now it's misfiring. Okay. So the data doesn't really show here, even though I feel the misfire. I was jumping from cylinder 1 and then cylinder 4, but number 2 and number 3 doesn't really record the misfire. Let's go one more here. Let's go to the OBD2 side. Let's just check the monitoring test results on the misfire. Now we have a code for an active, for an open or short on the cylinder number 2 injector. Monitoring test results, misfire general data. Let's see. So we have 2 counts there. Cylinder number 1, we got 1 count. Number 2, which is our open as per the code, 0. Wow, that's weird. 0. Number 4, 1 and 2. Okay, so 1 and 4 are misfiring. We have a code for cylinder number 2 injector. So what are we gonna do with this one? First, let me shut this off first. First, I think let's confirm which one are the cylinders that's misfiring currently. Second, I guess I'm gonna go straight to our MPI injector and see and compare the injectors 2 and 3, even though 2 and 3, and then do a current ramp and see the difference on the waveforms there between each cylinders. And then yeah, we'll see. Okay, so any diagnosis, I remove our cover here and look at what I see here. There's some wires that's chewed already. Oh my god, I don't know if I can repair this. Look at that, that's all the way in. Okay, cylinder number 2, that's damaged already. Number 3, I know we got some misfires in number 1 and 4 that's counted, but look at that, we got the ignition coil on number 2. I don't know with number 3. So, and this wires here, this is for CAN lines here, multiple CAN lines here going to our joint connector. So I guess I don't need any scope in this one because it's pretty obvious. This is an open here, and cylinder number 2. Oh wow, they're really chewed in. I don't know, man. But I can still repair this, but the problem there is you see on the pins itself, like this, like it's all through there. I don't know if I can remove the pin there. and put a new wire on it, right? And this in the can lines too. Oh man, this is gonna be a very, very big job because this harness that's going to our computer, going to our transmission to do this job on harness, drop everything, engine and transmission. Wow, I thought it's gonna be very, very interesting. That it's like my other video with the not opening injector or a faulty injector, but oh, I was excited to pull up my scope to do this. Okay, um, I'm gonna update you on what we'll be doing it, and even here, it went through cylinder number one. This is the injector for cylinder number one, as you can see there. That's chewed. I think for me, because this one it went through here. This guy. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. And last time when I went, I had a issue with other GV70 with the cam issues. I was asking for a joint connector here. They don't sell that. Um, it comes with a whole harness. That's a big problem. So I think this one needs a harness. Oh man. Um, I guess. I guess I'm gonna update you guys on what will be the next course of action on this one, because this is a very big job if we have a go ahead with this. Wow, I didn't expect that. Okay, I'll update you guys.